You walk into a store and there's no cashier. You order food and a machine takes your payment. Even customer service is now a chatbot. Slowly, silently, jobs are disappearing, not because of humans, but because of algorithms. This is not science fiction. This is automation, and it's transforming how society works. While some say automation brings convenience and innovation, sociology reminds us to ask who benefits and who loses. Automation isn't just about machines replacing humans. It's about how labor is organized, how power is distributed, and how human worth is measured. Historically, major technological shifts have always affected labor. During the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced manual labor, leading to job displacement, class tensions, and urban migration. But workers were at least visible then. Today, automation makes labor invisible, and many are excluded from the system altogether. Sociologist Ali Shariati from Iran warned about the dehumanization of labor in modern systems. He emphasized that when work becomes mechanical and detached from meaning, people lose not just income, but identity. This idea applies directly to automation today. Work isn't just what we do. It's tied to dignity, routine, and social value. Ghanaian sociologist Akosua Adomako Ampofo points out that global discussions on labor often ignore the gendered and racialized dimensions. Many of the jobs being automated in care work, retail, and services are held by women and people from the global south. Their vulnerability isn't accidental, it's built into the economic system. In East Asia, thinkers like Yoshihiko Uchida have explored how automation in countries like Japan is framed as national progress, but often at the cost of mental health and social connection. In hyper-automated societies, loneliness and burnout rise because efficiency replaces empathy. Dependency theory tells us that wealthy nations outsource risky or low-wage work while advancing tech domestically, widening the global labor divide. The concept of the precariat, coined by Guy Standing, describes a growing class of people who live with insecure jobs, no benefits, and constant economic anxiety, often worsened by automation. Automation promises productivity, but sociology asks, for whom? If machines do the work, but profits stay with the elite, the gap between classes will widen. More people may feel alienated, disconnected from the product of their labor, from each other, and from purpose, echoing what Karl Marx called alienation. The future? Some predict universal basic income. Others fear mass unemployment and growing inequality. What's certain is that automation will force us to redefine what work means and who gets to live with dignity. So next time you see a self-service kiosk, ask yourself, what kind of society are we building? One that values only efficiency, or one that values people?